In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Runway AI for free. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to access your free credits so you can start creating right away without paying anything up front. First, open your preferred web browser and head to runwayml.com. Type it carefully into the address bar to make sure you land on the official site. When the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and select the button that says Try Runway. This is the quickest path into the platform and takes you straight into the account creation flow. Next, you'll see options to enter your details or to log in using a connected account such as Google or Apple. If you use a connected account, it's generally faster because you won't need to fill out as many fields. If you choose to enter your details manually, just provide the requested information clearly and accurately. Pick whichever method you prefer. Both lead you to the same place. As a reminder, keep your login information private and secure. Once your account is created, you'll be taken directly to the Runway dashboard. This is your creative hub. From here, you can immediately start generating content for free using the initial credit allowance that comes with new accounts. At the time of recording, that free allowance is 125 credits. Think of credits as the fuel for using various tools inside Runway. Different tasks may use different amounts, and each generation will reduce your balance accordingly. Take a moment to look around the dashboard so you know where everything is. You'll typically see options for creating or uploading content, and you should also find your credit balance displayed somewhere on the interface. Keep an eye on it as you experiment. If you're new to the platform, start with a small test project to get a feel for how credits are consumed and how results look. This helps you learn the tools without spending your allowance too quickly. That's really all there is to it. Go to runwaymouseL.com, click Try Runway in the top right corner, sign up or log in with a connected account, and you'll land on the dashboard ready to create with 125 free credits. With that done, you can start exploring and generating content right away, and decide later if you want to add more credits or upgrade. Have fun creating, and enjoy your first steps with Runway AI for free.